Vegetarian cooking is a delicious and healthy way to enjoy a variety of flavors. Plant-based meals are full of fresh ingredients and vibrant colors. They offer a delightful culinary experience. By embracing vegetarian recipes, you embark on a journey of taste and well-being. Vegetarian food is good for you and the planet. It is naturally lower in saturated fat. It is also packed with essential nutrients. These nutrients come from fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Vegetarian cooking is a wonderful way to explore new ingredients. You can experiment with different flavors. There are endless possibilities for creating satisfying and nourishing meals. Let's dive into the world of delicious vegetarian recipes. Simple vegetarian delights. Recipes to tantalize your taste buds. Recipe 1. Creamy tomato and basil pasta. Ingredients: pasta, ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Instructions: 1. Cook pasta. 2. Sauté garlic in olive oil. 3. Add chopped tomatoes and simmer. 4. Toss with pasta, fresh basil, salt, and pepper. Recipe 2. Spicy black bean burgers. Ingredients: black beans, onion, garlic, breadcrumbs, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Instructions: 1. Mash beans, chopped onion and garlic. 2. Mix in breadcrumbs and spices. 3. Form patties and cook until browned. Recipe 3. Quick veggie stir-fry ingredients: assorted colorful vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and peppers. Soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and sesame oil. Instructions: 1. Stir-fry chopped vegetables in sesame oil. 2. Add soy sauce, grated ginger, and minced garlic. 3. Cook until vegetables are tender crisp. Vegetarianism, a boon for your health. A vegetarian diet boasts a myriad of health benefits. Plant-based meals are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. This is beneficial for heart health and weight management. Vegetarian diets are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Fruits, vegetables, and legumes are abundant in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients protect against chronic diseases and boost overall well-being. Embracing a vegetarian lifestyle can lead to increased energy levels and improved mood. Vegetarian cooking made easy: tips and tricks. Vegetarian cooking doesn't have to be time-consuming. Here are some tips for quick and easy preparation. Keep your pantry stocked with essential ingredients. These include canned beans, lentils, pasta, and grains. Chop vegetables in advance for faster cooking times. Utilize leftovers creatively in salads, wraps, or soups. Embrace one-pot meals like stews and curries for minimal cleanup. These tips will help you enjoy delicious and nutritious vegetarian meals even on busy days. Serve these dishes with a side of crusty bread or a refreshing salad. Experiment with different herbs and spices to enhance the flavors. Vegetarian cooking is a joyful exploration of taste and well-being.